um, iomanip, set width, and set precision. This is our old test score program where I asked for 3 test scores. I averaged them up and I displayed their output. Now in this particular program I redisplayed test score 1, 2, and 3 as well as the average. Okay, so what's different about this? First of all, since I use set width and fixed and show point and set precision, notice I pound included in iomanip. Anytime you use set width or fixed or show point or set precision, you want to have a pound include iomanip. And I'd say from now on in all of our programs that's what we want to have. Okay, now notice after the processing and right before the output, I put this statement in. Cout less than fixed, show point, set precision to 2. Here's what's going to happen. The fixed makes sure that I won't display any data in E notation, which could happen. So no E notation. The show point says, hey, let's go ahead and show trailing zeros and trailing decimal points. Up till this point in time, if you had $100, 0.00, Cout would only display the 100. It wouldn't show the trailing decimal point or the trailing zeros. Now it will. And set precision to 2 actually is going to be impacted by fixed. Fixed actually changes set precision so that now set precision defines the number of places to the right of the decimal point. Okay, so what happens in my output? I say Cout less than test 1, set width 8, SC1, score 1. So test 1 is going to be left justified, right from the left side of the screen, and score 1 is going to be right justified in a field 8 characters big. Now I wanted all my data to end at column 15, and I knew this was going to take 7 characters. So I counted up my 7, I subtracted from 15, and I was left with 8. So this set with 8 means that score 1 is right justified in a field 8 characters big. The same can be true for test 2 and test 3. But average actually takes up not 7 characters but 8. So when I subtract 8 from 15, I'm left with 7, and I wanted to right justify the value of average in a field 7 characters big. Let's take a look at the output. The output is right here. You can see my data all ends at column 15. SC1 is right justified. Whoops, sorry about that. SC1 is right justified in a field 8 characters wide from here to here. It's right justified. And SC2 is right justified in a field 8 characters wide. And SC3 is right justified in a field 8 characters wide. And AVG is right justified in a field only 7 characters wide. Why 7? Because my words here, my average colon, took up 8 characters. 8 from 15. I wanted to end at the 15th column. 8 from 15 left me 7, so I right justified AVG in a field 7 characters wide. And my output lines up nice and neat here. I'm not so concerned that you understand exactly how to calculate how many places set width should be or anything like that. I don't think that's a big deal at this point. What is a big deal at this point is that you understand that you should pound include iomanip from now on, that you should have this line here in your code from now on, and that basically we're going to learn more and more about using set width to format our output. That's what's important at this time.